Welcome to another ArcGIS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple DEMs using a technique called MOSAIC using ArcGIS as our primary GIS tool. So in order to do this, you will need to have different DEM tiles. Now, if you would like to download raster DEM of 30 meters by 30 meters resolution for free, I have created a separate tutorial for that, and I recommend you to check that out. And I have downloaded 7 different DEM tiles, and I'm going to create one seamless DEM raster using these different tiles. So first I'm going to go to my Arc catalog and drag them and drop it over here. Okay, now you can clearly see that the individual DEM tiles are visible, and the way that I'm going to create a seamless raster using this is by using the technique called MOSAIC to new raster. It's one of the options present under the data management tools. So you click on this, and you have to drag and drop all the different rasters. Now before going forward with that, I'm just going to highlight one thing. You can see that over here we have to specify, actually it's optional, but still we have to mention the pixel type. So actually you can cancel this one and then go to properties. And over here you can see the pixel type is a signed integer and the pixel depth is 16-bit. So just keep that in mind. We will go here again and we will sort of drag and drop all the different rasters as the input for this process. Okay, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here we have to select the output location. I'm going to select my output location. And the next option is to select the raster dataset name with an extension. So I'm going to name this as MOSAIC DEM. And we have to specify the extension as well. Now, if you're not quite sure about these extensions, you can actually click here, click over here once, and then go to Show Help, and it will show you what are the available possible extensions. So in this case, I'm going to go with a TIFF, so it's .tif. And the spatial reference for the raster, you have to make sure that it's in the same coordinate of your data frame. And for my case, it's WGS 1984. And the pixel depth type, I think you remember that it was 16-bit signed. And the number of bands, you leave it at 1. And for the mosaic operator, you select blend. And for the mosaic color ramp mode, select match. Now for the last two options, if you would like to play around with the other options, I would suggest you to go to this show help over here and then check these out, and it will actually explain you what each of these operators does. So for this case, I'm going to stick with blend and match. So let's go ahead and click OK. All right, now you can see that we were able to successfully create the seamless raster, the seamless DEM. I'm going to change the color scheme to be something else, maybe this. Yeah, so that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any further questions, you can always comment them down below. And please consider subscribing to this channel. You will be able to see interesting GIS tutorials almost every day. So thank you and have a good day.